kittens. Hello, Nigel. Look at that. Totally indifferent to me coming in the room. When I visited last, he was laying right underneath the cam and did not even flinch or move. He's doing really good being socialized. But it's time for his next treatment. Traffic's getting crappy, so we're gonna leave a little early. And he walked right on in yesterday. Make sure it's clean in there. Yep. Come on, Nigel. Traffic stinks. Messed up your blankie. Hold up, boy. There we go. Now his appointment's at 4 o'clock, and we will likely be at the shelter until 5. And then we'll see about coming home. He's sitting up like a champ. He does really well in the car, too. So, back in a few hours. Enjoy the leftover kittens. Have a nice day. Okay, Mr. Poopening, let's go.